Next we will discuss about partners capital account. What do you mean by partners capital account? Let us see meaning of capital account. All transaction relating to partner of the firm are recorded in the books of the firm through an account is called as capital account. What it is saying means all transaction relating to partner. If partner invested 1 lakh, that should be related to partner. We have to prepare a separate account. Example A invested 1 lakh. We have to prepare A's separate account. In his account we have to write he gave means balance brought down or his capital 1 lakh, right. After 1 year we add that interest on capital. A has invested 1 lakh and we have to give interest on capital 5%, 6% as much we have made agreement, like that we have to give. And share of profit, after 1 year if we get any profit from the business, we have to give him his share of profit. Which amount related to A, that amount should be written in separate account, that is called as partners capital account, that is A's account. So meaning also saying like that all transaction relating to partners of the firm are recorded in the books of the firm through an account, that is separate account, is called as capital accounts. Capital account includes what we write in that capital account. See, the amount of money brought in as capital, how much money he has given to the business, that amount, and how much money he has withdrawn, we have to deduct that amount. So that is called as drawings. Share of profit, after 1 year if any profit arises, then we have to credit on his account. And next interest on capital, how much interest he will get. Afterwards interest on drawings, how much he has to pay interest to the company on drawings. Next salary, if we made any agreement, in that agreement if we have written like that salary to partner 1000 per month, that salary has to write in his account, separate account. Commission, if there is any commission, we have to write in his account. These are all written in the his separate account called as partner capital account. If there are more than 2 partners, example 3 partners, means we have to prepare 3 separate capital accounts, A's capital account, B's capital account, C's capital account. Otherwise we can make a combined capital account by making 3 columns A, B, C, like that. After in next I will show how to prepare combining capital account or how to prepare separate capital accounts. Okay, let us discuss about methods of capital accounts. Capital accounts can be prepared in 2 methods. First one is that fixed capital method, another is that fluctuating capital method. In what is the difference between fixed capital and fluctuating capital method means in fixed capital method we prepare 2 accounts. One is that capital account, another is that current account. In fluctuating capital method, we prepare only one account, that is partners capital account. Simply only one entry is different. Okay, let us discuss about fixed capital method. Under this method the capitals of the partners are remain fixed means under this method the capital of the partner shall remain fixed, means how much he has invested. Example, A has invested 1 lakh and B has invested 2 lakhs. So year by year their capital should be fixed, means A's capital 1 lakh this year also, next year also, next year also, and B's capital also will be same, this year 2 lakh, next year 2 lakh, next year 2 lakhs, like that. Remaining adjustment means after 1 year if they get any profit, interest, salary, like those entries will be taken in separate account, that is called as a current account. See here, under this method the capitals of the partner shall remain fixed. Remaining all items like profit, interest, salary, etc. are recorded in a separate account called partners current account. Means in this method we have to prepare two capital accounts, two accounts. One is that partners capital account, another is that partners current account, right. Next, fluctuating capital method. What it is saying? Under this method only one account is prepared, that is capital account. All the adjustments such as capital, profit, interest, salary, etc. are recorded directly in the capital account. See here, just observe, in this fixed capital method we take capital amount only in separate account. Remaining adjustments like profit, interest, salary, these entries are taken into the another account called current account. But in fluctuating capital method all entries will be taken in only one account, that is called as partners capital account. See here, only one entry is different. Capital account, in this fixed capital method we take separate account, but in fluctuating capital method we take all entries only in one account, right. As name indicates, fixed capital means every year their capital should be fixed. As I said earlier, A invested 1 lakh, B invested 2 lakhs, like that only this year, next year and next year same capital will be there. But in fluctuating, fluctuate means it changes year to year. Example, A invested 1 lakh and after 1 year he gets salary, profit, interest on capital and like that remaining remunerations. If he get after 1 year, what happens? 1 lakh plus salary, profit, those are things maybe 50,000. Totally he will get 1,50,000 after 1 year. So next year his capital will be 1,50,000. See here, it fluctuated, means this year his capital 1 lakh, but next year 1,50,000. Why? Because some profit, salary and interest on capital, these are all items are added and it fluctuates. Fluctuate means changes. 1 lakh, before it was 1 lakh, but next year it is 1,50,000. In fixed capital method, if he has invested 1 lakh, next year also 1 lakh, next year also 1 lakh, but here it fluctuates year to year. I hope you can understand this explanation easily. Otherwise you can see my video again and again. If you have any doubts, please mail me, and I have given WhatsApp number, just WhatsApp me, I will reply to your all questions. I try to answer the best. If you like my video, please share with your friends. Thank you.